Your body is a marvel of continuous regeneration, producing 25 million new cells every second. This invisible construction crew works tirelessly, rebuilding and renewing you from the inside out. In just 30 seconds, you create 750 million new cells, highlighting the body's incredible capacity for constant regeneration and self-renewal. Your body is a marvel of constant regeneration, producing 25 million new cells every second. This invisible construction crew works tirelessly, creating 750 million cells in just 30 seconds. It's a living factory, continuously rebuilding and renewing itself, ensuring you remain vibrant and healthy without you even noticing. Your skin renews every 2 to 3 weeks, while your liver regenerates in 5 months. Most of your body replaces itself every 7 to 10 years. However, brain and heart cells persist for a lifetime, maintaining continuity in memory and personality despite the cellular turnover. The cellular paradox questions if we remain the same person as our cells renew every decade. Brain and heart cells persist, preserving memories and personality. However, the photocopy effect, where cell division leads to imperfect copies, explains aging. This highlights the delicate balance of maintaining life while our bodies continuously rebuild. The Turritopsis dohrnii, known as the immortal jellyfish, defies aging by reversing its life cycle. When stressed or injured, it reverts its cells to a youthful state, transforming adult cells into stem cells. This process allows it to rebuild its body, achieving theoretical immortality, a phenomenon that fascinates scientists and challenges our understanding of life and death. Your blood embarks on a daily marathon, traveling 12,000 miles, equivalent to a journey from New York to Tokyo and back. The heart pumps around 2,000 gallons of blood through an extensive network of 60,000 miles of vessels, enough to circle the Earth twice. This relentless cycle sustains life, ensuring every cell receives vital nutrients and oxygen. Red blood cells have a 4-month lifespan, after which they're replaced, ensuring your entire blood supply is renewed 3 times annually. Each cell undertakes 250,000 circulatory trips, highlighting the body's efficient recycling system. This continuous regeneration supports vital functions, maintaining health and vitality. Your brain, weighing just 3 pounds, uses the energy of a 20-watt bulb, yet surpasses any supercomputer in efficiency. It processes 11 million bits of information per second, with only 40 reaching your conscious awareness. Most operations occur subconsciously, managing vital functions and complex decisions, shaping your reality seamlessly. While you sleep, your brain becomes more active, engaging in a crucial cleaning process. Cerebrospinal fluid flushes out toxic proteins and waste accumulated during the day. Simultaneously, your brain reorganizes its knowledge base, deciding which memories to retain or discard, ensuring optimal cognitive function and memory retention. Deep sleep is crucial for brain health, facilitating a cleaning process that prevents diseases like Alzheimer's by removing metabolic waste. This phase also consolidates memories, strengthening essential ones and discarding the rest, optimizing neural connections for future challenges. Skipping sleep hinders these processes, leading to cognitive decline and health issues. Your tongue detects 5 primary tastes: sweet, sour, salty, bitter, and umami. Umami, the hidden 5th taste, enhances flavors, making food irresistibly delicious. It is often associated with savory foods like meats and cheeses, adding depth and richness to dishes. Understanding these tastes helps us appreciate the complexity of flavors in our diet. Your tongue hosts 10,000 taste buds, each detecting millions of flavors. Remarkably, these buds regenerate every 2 weeks, maintaining a sharp sense of taste. Interestingly, 80% of taste is linked to smell, explaining why food seems bland when your sense of smell is impaired, like during a cold. Your eyes can distinguish 10 million colors, yet every photon takes time to reach you. When you see the sun, you're observing it as it was 8 minutes ago. Even in a mirror, you see past versions of yourself, never the present. This highlights how our vision is a glimpse into the past. Every photon reaching your retina has traveled through time, meaning you never see anything in real time. When you look in a mirror, you're seeing a past version of yourself. This delay is more pronounced with distant stars, which may have died years ago. Our visual experience is always a reconstruction of past events. Your brain's storage capacity is astonishing, equivalent to 2.5 million gigabytes. This is facilitated by approximately 100 billion neurons forming trillions of connections. The brain's computational power surpasses any supercomputer, enabling complex processing and memory reconstruction, which is crucial for understanding how memories are formed and altered over time. Unlike a computer, your brain doesn't store exact copies of memories. Each recall involves reconstructing memories, leading to subtle changes over time. This process can even create false memories that feel entirely real, highlighting the brain's dynamic nature in memory storage and retrieval. Your brain reconstructs memories from fragments, altering details each time you recall them. It processes reality faster than your conscious mind, continuously rewriting your personal history. Fabricated memories can feel as vivid as real experiences, highlighting the brain's complex and dynamic nature. Prioritize quality sleep to allow your brain to cleanse and reorganize for optimal function. Be mindful of your diet as your body is in constant renewal. Embrace personal growth, acknowledging that change is natural. Appreciate the intricate processes within you, marveling at the complexity that sustains life. Feel your heart's incredible journey. This organ pumps 2,000 gallons of blood daily, beating 100,000 times without conscious effort. It's your lifelong companion, tirelessly working since before birth. Each heartbeat signifies the miraculous biological processes sustaining life, highlighting the extraordinary complexity of your body's secret operations. Your body regenerates 25 million cells every second, rebuilding itself every 7 to 10 years. Your brain, a biological supercomputer, processes 11 million bits per second and stores 2.5 million gigabytes. Your blood travels 12,000 miles daily. These marvels highlight your body's complexity, surpassing any human-made technology.